In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Payoneer account in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided to simplify your financial setup or simply no longer need your Payoneer account, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser. Any browser will do. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, you name it. Once you're online, type Payoneer into your preferred search engine. Click on the official Payoneer website link, which should be at the top of your search results. This is your gateway to managing all things related to your account. Next, you need to log into your Payoneer account. Enter your credentials carefully, your username and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure you have your mobile device handy to input the verification code. This step is crucial as all account changes, especially one as significant as closing the account, require secure access. Now that you're logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your name. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Navigating through these settings will give you control over various aspects of your account. Within the Settings menu, the next stop is Profile Settings. Make your way here by clicking through and then scroll down the page. As you reach the bottom, you will see an option to Close Account. It might feel a bit buried, but keep scrolling and it will be there. Before you proceed to close your account, there are a few important things to consider. Make sure you've withdrawn all your funds from the Payoneer account. Leaving money there will complicate the closing process. Additionally, be certain about the consequences of closing the account. You may be unable to recover your transaction history or any other data once it's gone. Finally, if you have a physical Payoneer card, it's wise to destroy it to prevent any unauthorized use after your account closure. When you click Close Account, a pop-up window may appear to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to go back if you're having second thoughts. If you're sure, click Close or Delete. And just like that, your Payoneer account will be closed. I hope this video helped you understand how to close your Payoneer account efficiently. Remember, once your account is closed, all associated services and conveniences will no longer be available. So ensure you're fully ready for this step. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.